Hello everybody, today we're talking about encapsulation. Encapsulation is one out of the four main pillars of object-oriented programming. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and the methods that work on the data in one place, called a class. Direct access to the data is restricted to protect unintended changes. Let's implement it. Alright, so the instructions here are: create a bank account class with one private variable called balance and three public methods, namely deposit, withdraw, and get balance. The two methods that take an argument are deposit and withdraw. Let's start with creating the class called bank account. No inherited classes here. We'll go straight into the constructor. So the only argument that it'll take is the initial balance. Now we'll initialize the private variable balance. So this is the syntax in Python to initialize a private variable with the underscore before the variable name. Now we will define the deposit method. It takes an argument called amount, and amount adds to the already existing balance. Balance would add on to what we already have, and then we'll just return what we are left with. Now we will define the second method that takes an argument called withdraw. Withdraw takes the same argument, but this time it'll be taken away from the already existing balance. Now here it says only to remove money if sufficient balance, so there will be an if statement here. If the given amount is less than or equals to what is in the bank, we reduce it from the already existing balance. We minus from the amount, and we return what's left. Last but not the least, we define the getBalance method, which is purely a getter method. It will simply return the leftover balance. And there you have it. Now we'll give it a test. Here we will initialize a new bank account instance, which will be taken from the bank account class. It will be taken an argument of balance. We'll say it has 12 pounds. Let's try and add on to this amount. So the instance, and we will deposit money into it, 3 pounds. Let's see what we get. We get 12 plus 3 is 15, correct. Now let's try to withdraw some money, which will reduce our balance. Takes an argument of amount, which we will say 5 pounds. Correct. Let's simply implement the getter method, which is getBalance. All we got to do is just call the method get the balance. Simple as that. And there you have it. Thank you.